Hold up. I just saw this. Kishu Inu. I can use my Kishu. Let me zoom this in. With Travala.com to travel 3 million travel products in 230 plus countries and savings. So that means I can do flights and hotels and activities. Oh, we got to talk about this. Let's go and dive into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Look at this. All right. I love my Shiba. I love my leash and my bone. But this Kishu creating this opportunity, this partnership with Travala.com is something you need to take some consideration. Not financial advice, but I don't see any quote meme coin doing this. I just don't see it. Now, hopefully Shiba adds this on here, and I feel like that can definitely happen over time. So I did more research on this to see if this is legit. And I wouldn't do this video if I don't feel good about it, but I felt really good about it. So I went to Travala.com just to see if this is legit. You can do stays, which is hotels, flights, and activities. But I was like, okay, how do I pay for this? Let's see if this article is really, really true. I went down here that says payment options, and I start selecting. And I noticed all these cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Polkadot, Bitcoin. I'm like, okay, VeChain. I'm a big fan of VeChain. You really can do this because they pride themselves as the leading cryptocurrency friendly accommodation booking platform. This is something that if you own crypto in at least one of these, you definitely should consider using Travala. And so on Travala.com. So I click on payment options and I see book over 2 million hotels and accommodation worldwide using these payment options. Yes, you can use your credit card. Yes, you can use your debit card, but things are changing. You can use your cryptocurrencies to travel. And I start looking down at all these different types of cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Bitcoin, the things that we know of, things we've known of for quite some time. If you're brand new to this, I'm pretty sure you heard of Bitcoin. But anyway, you have all these ones down here, VeChain, I am seeing Crypto.com, I'm seeing Harmony. Then I see Kishu. And I start thinking here, Kishu's on here. Kishu's on here. I could use your Kishu to book hotels, flights, and other accommodations. And then I'm like, okay, I see Kishu here. I see it on here. I saw the article here. They teaming up, they partnering up. It's a new payment method. You can use your Kishu. So I went to a step farther just for you. And I actually reserved a flight. Now, I didn't go ahead and pay for it. I just reserved a flight from Daytona Beach, where I live, to Atlanta, Georgia. And what I noticed was the charge of $378, which I'm not going to pay that. Just want to show that to you. I noticed they have the payment methods, credit cards. I see cryptocurrency, Crypto.com, and Binance Pay. So I'm like, okay, let's see if Kishu is down here. I see VeChain, Bitcoin, and you know what? Kishu's on here. So I can complete this reservation just by clicking on complete reservations or paying for my Kishu Inu to book a flight from Daytona to Atlanta or to Daytona to Los Angeles, or whatever the flights are. This is big. This is something that not a lot of people are talking about. This is a big thing to me if you like to travel. Now, if you don't like to travel, then this video is really not for you. Or if you don't like Kishu, this video is not really for you. So I looked into this and I said, well, let's look at the app. Let's see if the app shows this. So let me bring up the application of Travala. So I went up here and that's Travala.com hotel deals. This is the Android phone that I actually downloaded this on the Google Play Store. So I open it up. Let's just see what happens here. You know what? And I have not used Travala.com before. I've heard about it, but I've never really used it. So I'm going to go to payment options just to see if Kishu shows up here. So I clicked on here and you see some of the currencies, and then I'm seeing Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin's going to come first, Ethereum second. We already know that. But as I started to go down, I see Kishu. So now you're seeing Kishu on my mobile device and you're seeing Kishu on my desktop. Then I can use my Kishu Inu. So yes, this is a legit partnership. this is a good use case of where you can use your Kishu. And I know Shiba, I'm hoping Shiba gets added on here too, because I really feel like that is a great option for all of our Shiba holders. But them having Kishu on here is something to really think about. So I can click on Kishu right here and go ahead and start using as a payment option for my travel accommodation. And it's over 2 million. If you think about it, it's a lot. If I go back here, and it's a lot. It's over 2 million plus hotels and accommodations worldwide. So no matter where you live. So watching this video, you're probably like, how do I buy this? Well, you can buy it right on Shiba Swap. I have my Coinbase wallet connected with it. I prefer Coinbase wallet, although the MetaMask does work as well. So connect your Coinbase wallet and you can go right to swap. So let me go back to the beginning. Go right to swap tokens. Now you can swap your Ethereum. Ethereum is probably one of the most practical things to do is swap your Ethereum to get your Kishu. Or you can swap your Bone, Leash, Shiba, any of those type of ERC20 coins to get that. So if I want to do Ethereum, I just go ahead and select Kishu or type in Kishu in the search bar. And then what I do max. So let's say I'm doing maximum. Now what I'm going to do here to avoid any type of error, I'm just going to do a little bit less Kishu. In fact, I'll do a little bit more less. And then I'll click on swap and making sure everything is good. And I'm going to bring up my phone back up to see about the fees. So if I confirm here, the confirm on phone is going to show up as it usually does. And I'll bring up my phone up for the fees. So those are the fees we're dealing with right now. The recording of this video, it is during the day. I don't usually get my transaction or complete transaction during the day unless I just have to, because the fees are usually higher. So I try to do late at night. Late at night or early in the morning. But that's how you get your Kishu Inu. You can swap your Ethereum or Shiba. This is the prime example of one of those to get it. And that's really simple and really to do. You can get it also on Shiba Swap. You can also get it on Uniswap. There's other swaps you can get it on. But Shiba Swap, why not get it on here? It's already developed. It's already set up to do that as well. So Kishu Inu right now is down at the marketplace. It's down. I'm thinking about getting some more. Not financial advice necessarily. I know you liking Shiba. I can get it. I can feel it in your bones right now. I can feel it. Like, man, why are you talking about Kishu, not Shiba? Listen, if I can book my hotels using Kishu, and if I'm patient enough to wait till Kishu price goes up, listen, maybe $1 million Kishu Inu can probably book a round trip ticket from Florida to Hawaii. Who knows? Not financial advice. I'm just talking here. When I saw this on here, it just got my attention. So that's why I did this video. And that's why I think you should really consider doing this. Because I'm seeing the price of these dropping today. Bone is on sale, Leash is on sale, Shiba's on sale, Kishu's on sale. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification for more Shiba Swap information, Kishu, or anything that's going to help you grow every day on your bank account and grow your brand. This is the place to be. Yes. So click on the link below. Get started with the Shiba Swap today. Look at the article in terms of this as well. I have the Travala.com information down there as well. If you can check it out for yourself and you can look at it yourself and you can make a decision for you. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. I got another video coming out later on. I can't wait for you to see it. I'll see you later.